So, ayun na nga guys. I hope you learned something about this video. So, once again, if you need help with anything or anything under the sun, you can always write me a letter. Dear Za. Okay? And then we will try to solve that in our next video. So, yun na nga. So, romanticize your life. You always have to celebrate small wins. Deserve happiness. You always deserve happiness kahit sa simple things. You deserve softness kahit sa mundo na puro stress. Okay? So, be the main character. So, be the main character. Create joy, not stress. You have to celebrate your life kasi one day, if you look back, marirealize mo lang na buti na lang I started living my life. Buti na lang gumawa ako ng paraan para masaayos o maging maayos yung buhay ko. Alright? So if you like this video, don't forget to comment how to romanticize your life. Ano ba ang mga ginagawa nyo para i-romanticize ang inyong mga buhay. Okay? Alright. So, don't forget to join, subscribe, like this video, and laging tatandaan, hindi kailangang maraming pera, basta may peace of mind. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.